Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you beautiful Heritage Glen. Now this is a big one. This is one with opposing slides and a big rear lounge, and the best thing to do is just get right in and look at it. So follow me. Now this has the new solid step from LG. These steps are awesome. When you walk on them, it's just like walking in your house. They're solid. They're not wobbly like a regular trailer step. They've got adjustable legs so you can set them down on uneven ground and make them stable. And they stow away so easy when you're camping and getting ready to travel. So watch me go up. I mean, it's just fantastic. Now this is a 273RL, that's the name of this model, and we've got a beautiful rear lounge. So you can see right in the back here we've got a large sofa. This is a trifold sofa, so it will make a really nice bed for two adults. And then also we have recliners here. It's a little settee with cup holders. There's some storage here for your stuff. You put your TV remotes there. And then over here we have this little tiny TV, and it's a great big thing. It's a home theater system with speakers built in down here. And then as you can see, we have a 32-inch electric fireplace. Now when these came out, I thought they were the silliest thing. Oh my gosh, who needs an electric fireplace? Anybody who's tired of burning propane and listening to the fan run. This is quiet, it's ambient, it's nice, it'll heat 400 square feet. That's a wonderful way to use this space. And it'll, you know, if you have electricity, it's a lot nicer to listen to than the fan. Got a nice island kitchen in here. Comes with a draining rack and a big stainless steel sink and a solid single handle stainless steel faucet. Not chrome plated plastic like some of the trailers you've seen out there. We see we've got a beautiful drawer down here. It's designed to match the oven. We've got a see-through oven door. We've got glass surface flush mount stovetop, so we can use this whole thing as counter space. We've got stainless in the appliances, stainless on the refrigerator. It all looks great. See a nice big fridge there. Good storage too. In this you've got drawer space, you've got big cabinets down below, even a place for a garbage can here. So that's dynamite. Now up here, more storage for food and things. You can stack stuff on this shelf. You know, if you're staying for a while, you can put your picture frames of your grandkids on there. So that looks really nice. I love the new colors. And this has a skylight, so it really is open and bright in here. Okay, let's take a look in the bath. Now this has a nice bathroom, also has a skylight over the shower, and it's got counter space, and it's got a nice big medicine cabinet here. Plenty of room in here. And this has a really nice feature. It's a retractable shower curtain. It just puts itself away and cleans itself every time you use it. And you can't see it right now, but there's also a little ditty. Oh, there you see. Now it's like just a personal utility bag, a toilet kit. You can wrap that up and take it home with you and replenish your toothpaste. Okay, let's take a look at the bedroom. It has a beautiful bedroom, and this one even has a second air conditioner. So this has air conditioning in the main compartment and a second one for the bedroom. We have nice big storage areas, hanging storage. Got USB and 110 plugs on both sides of the bed. And this lifts up and you can see there's a whole thing of storage down below there, but you can access it here. You can pull these little tubbies out. So that gives you some versatility how you can use this storage. I really like that. So I think in just a quick look around, you can see what a gorgeous trailer this is and how well equipped it is. Let's take a look around the outside. Follow me. Walk back down these awesome steps. One thing that's kind of nice, this door here, it's got friction hinges and you can't slam it. And what that does for you is it means that the wind isn't going to blow this into your sidewall and bang it into your wall. That's really nice. Look over here. We've got power extendable stabilizer jacks, and we've got a connector for a portable solar panel right there. So if you ever need to reinforce your battery power, all you have to do is plug in a portable solar panel. Lift up here, there's a massive amount of storage in there, and I believe that box contains a barbecue, which this comes with. Now, one of the best features on the outside of this trailer is right here. This is a full fiberglass end cap. It's like putting the hull of a boat on the end of your trailer. It's very important because it prevents your trailer from leaking in the corners, edges, and seams in the front, and it's easy to maintain. Now, you'll see this is the LTZ, so this is the top of the line from Heritage Glen. You also see we have a power tongue jack, big propane bottles, and room for 2 batteries, which we provide here at Guaranty, along with quite a bit of other services included in our deals. Take a look at the ground clearance underneath the plumbing. I love it when the plumbing is forward of the axles. It's very, very hard to damage it that way. You're not going to back it into anything that way. It's really nice and secure place for that to be, and easy to get to because it's not way down low under the trailer and below the slide out and stuff. This has a sewer flush system right here, so you can clean out your black water tank easily and prevent the need for services of various types there. Let's walk around here. You'll see we've got dark tinted glass, which is great. When you look at the very back of the trailer, you can see there's our barbecue and our barbecue rack. So this is all set up there already. There's a ladder on the back so you can access the roof, maintain and inspect your roof seals, and also take debris off your slide out. So when you get ready to leave camp, you don't have to worry about bringing your slide in on a branch or a pine cone. That's what that does for you. It also means this roof's strong enough to walk on, and that's a big deal. Also, you can see this up here, this little shape at the top is a system that's pre-wired for a backup camera. Very easily installed, and then you have a portable unit that goes in your vehicle. So you don't even have to build it into your car. You can switch from one car to another. Well, that's my quick speech about the Heritage Glen 273 RLS with the opposing slides in the island kitchen. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, I'd love to help you. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.